How to start a profitable business. Beginning on the journey of starting your own business is both exciting and challenging. It's a path filled with potential, offering the freedom to pursue your passion and the opportunity to create something truly impactful. However, transforming an idea into a profitable business requires more than just enthusiasm. It involves careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a deep understanding of your market. Each point will be explored in depth, ensuring you have a clear and engaging roadmap to success. Let's begin this entrepreneurial journey. Identifying your business idea. The first step in starting a profitable business is to identify a viable business idea. This idea should be something you are passionate about and knowledgeable in, but it also needs to fulfill a market need. Start by asking yourself what problems you can solve, what skills you possess, and what you are passionate about. Research existing markets to identify gaps or areas of need. Consider conducting surveys or focus groups to understand potential customers' problems, and tailor your business idea to address these needs. Be ready to adapt and refine your idea based on feedback and research. Remember, a successful business idea doesn't necessarily have to be completely original, but it should offer something unique or better than what is currently available in the market. Market research and analysis. Once you have a business idea, the next step is thorough market research. Understanding your target market is crucial. Who are your potential customers? What are their buying behaviors, preferences, and needs? Analyze your competitors, understand their strengths and weaknesses. This information will help you differentiate your business and identify opportunities for growth. Market research can involve analyzing industry reports, gathering consumer data, and observing competitor strategies. Tools like surveys, interviews, and focus groups can provide valuable insights into consumer needs and preferences. This step is about gathering as much information as possible to make informed decisions about your business strategy. Creating a business plan. A well-crafted business plan is essential for any successful business. It's a roadmap that guides you through each stage of starting and managing your business. Your business plan should outline your business idea, mission and vision, market research, business model, marketing and sales strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. A comprehensive business plan helps you to think through the key elements of your business, anticipate challenges, and allocate resources effectively. It's also crucial for securing funding from investors or loans from banks, as it demonstrates the viability and potential profitability of your business. Securing funding. To start a profitable business, you need capital. This can come from various sources: your savings, loans from friends and family, bank loans, angel investors, or venture capitalists. The type of funding you choose will depend on the nature of your business and the amount of money you need. Prepare a solid pitch and a detailed business plan when approaching investors or lenders. Be clear about how much funding you need, what it will be used for, and how you plan to make your business profitable. Understanding the risks and being transparent about them with your potential investors is also crucial. Choosing the right location and setting up your business. The location of your business can significantly impact its success. Choose a location based on your target market, business type, accessibility, competition, and cost. For some businesses, being online might be the best option, while others may benefit more from a physical location. After choosing your location, you'll need to take care of the legal aspects of setting up your business. This includes registering your business, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, setting up tax accounts, and understanding your legal responsibilities as a business owner. Building your brand and marketing your business. Your brand is what sets you apart from competitors and connects with your customers. Develop a strong brand identity, including your business name, logo, and a consistent theme across all marketing materials and channels. Implement a marketing strategy that aligns with your target audience. Utilize digital marketing, social media, content marketing, and traditional marketing techniques like flyers and local advertisements. Focus on building relationships with your customers through excellent customer service, engagement, and quality products or services. Launching your business. Launching your business is a crucial moment. Plan a launch strategy that creates excitement and anticipation. This could include a launch event, special promotions, or a social media campaign. Ensure that you are ready operationally, from having the right staff to ensuring your supply chain is in place. The launch is just the beginning. Gather feedback from your initial customers and be prepared to make adjustments to your product or service. Continuous improvement based on customer feedback is key to long-term success. Managing business operations. Effective management of day-to-day operations is essential for a profitable business. This includes managing finances, inventory, human resources, customer service, and ongoing marketing efforts. Utilize tools and software to streamline processes and maintain effective management of day-to-day operations is essential for a profitable business. This includes managing finances, inventory, human resources, customer service, and ongoing marketing efforts. Utilize tools and software to streamline processes and maintain efficiency. Keep track of your finances rigorously. Understand your cash flow, manage your expenses wisely, and reinvest profits back into the business to fuel growth. Hiring the right team and building a strong company culture are also crucial elements of successful business operations. Scaling and expanding your business. As your business grows, look for opportunities to scale and expand. This could mean diversifying your product line, exploring new markets, or scaling up your marketing efforts. However, scaling should be done cautiously. Ensure that the quality of your product or service is maintained as you grow. Consider strategic partnerships or collaborations that can open new opportunities. Always be on the lookout for new trends and changes in the market, and be ready to adapt your business accordingly. Sustaining long-term growth. The final step in building a profitable business is sustaining long-term growth. This requires continuous innovation, staying ahead of market trends, and being adaptable to change. Keep investing in your business, whether it's in product development, employee training, or new technology. Building a strong customer base and maintaining good relationships with them is crucial for long-term success. Focus on customer retention as much as on acquiring new customers. Listen to your customers, value their feedback, and always strive to exceed their expectations. Adopting sustainable practices. In today's business world, sustainability is not just an ethical choice but also a strategic one. Adopting sustainable practices can enhance your brand reputation, attract conscious consumers, and often lead to cost savings. Incorporate environmentally friendly practices in your operations, from reducing waste to choosing sustainable suppliers. This approach not only contributes positively to the environment, but can also give you a competitive edge in the market. Starting a profitable business is a journey of hard work, dedication, and strategic planning. From ideating and researching to planning, funding, and executing, every step is crucial to building a successful business. Remember, the key to a profitable business is not just in its financial gains, but in the value it offers to its customers and the fulfillment it brings to its owner. With the right mindset, resources, and strategies, your business venture can not only succeed but thrive in the competitive world of entrepreneurship. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.